Hey squids, look what just followed me home. That's right, I went and bought a 1984 Yamaha Riva 180, and this does not work, but I wanted to do a video really quick so you know what is up. So this surprisingly is a heavy scooter, and it does not run. Apparently the carbs need to be cleaned, and I've been kind of messing around with it. It's a very interesting scooter. Just look at this. I was trying to trailer it, and I was going to wrap it around the forks, and look at this. Only one fork on one side. So it's a single-sided in the front. Drum brakes, it's fine. And then in the rear, you have a single-sided wheel as well. Very cool styling. But I'm already finding some major quirks with this thing, and it's very interesting. But at the same time, I have a leak. And where's the drain plug? Where's the filter? I believe you have to remove these. So we're going to have to find that out. And look at that. You have a rear brake, kind of like the Honda Elite 150. It's missing this. You know, otherwise it's in good condition, and it only has, the battery is also dead, only has 5,800 miles. So, very interesting. So, look at this. I'm going to hit the power button, key. Oh, there we go. It kind of lights up. Lights work, blinkers do not, but the controls are really interesting. And this is your start. It will kind of like crank, but it won't run. That's it. So we're gonna have to figure out the carburetor issue. And look at this. That's real glass. See that noise? It's so, there's a fan here. I guess it cools the motor. And the gas tank is here. And battery is very easy to access, and you have a pocket here. The floor is almost flat. Very interesting scooter. When I first got on it, it's just much more top heavy than this thing. This is light compared to this, but I just wanted to give you a little heads up of what I'll be working on next. Thanks for watching.